I accomplished a few things yesterday. One being, when you looked at the train tunnel from this angle, you could actually see the wood frame of the train tunnel. So that piece of wood that was visible, I painted gray to help blend in. And then I changed my mind of how I wanted the end of the train tunnel to look. Created little boulders out of styrofoam, painted those, hot glued them in place. I do have one more piece that is gonna go where that gray is showing. And then I did a rough layout of the city. So the city's gonna go around the train track. I do have more room, which is good because I have 5 houses that I put over here, so I could work on that area. So I gotta find a place for the fire station, the airport, Bronner's, the garage, the water tower, auditorium, but the print shop here, I'm thinking right here. And then, well, I'll let you see this one from this angle here. And then Linden Hills Country Club, I did put a light bulb in that. So here's my remote. And that would make 13 houses lit up at this point. So none of these have been lit up because they're probably not going to stay how I have it right now. But it's a rough idea.